the full layout overview and regions. In this part of the course, we will focus on the editors that are presented to us on the screen when the program is open. Blender's default Start tab shows the Layout workspace. This workspace is a general layout to preview your scene and objects. It is divided in 4 areas containing the following editors: 3D viewport on the top left, outliner on the top right, properties editor on bottom right, timeline on bottom left. For now, let's begin to learn their names. I will explain in more detail what they are and how they work little by little in other sections of the course. Regions. Every editor in Blender is divided into regions. Regions can have smaller structuring elements like tabs and panels with buttons, controls, and widgets placed within them. At least one region is always visible. It is called the main region and is the most prominent part of the editor. Resizing regions works by dragging their border the same way as areas.